Good evening, everyone. Welcome to RadioSilentPlay.com. I am your moderator for today on April 29th, 2015. Let me start off by saying I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own due diligence before trading any stock or options. Trading stocks and options require lots of risk. Okay, so tonight we're going to start off with the options. There's been a lot of movement here on the options. We primarily trade, all markets. I always say that we're not just any one-trick pony. There's a lot of services out there that just offer one thing. We actually offer a diverse setups, and we trade options, we trade stocks, and we also trade the OTCs. And just a great week. Okay, ending last week. It's just a great April thus far. I want to go over the Gpro. This was a stock that we actually sent out not too long ago. It was actually on. We sent this setup here back in March 27th. What we were looking at right here was this wedge pattern here. Our buy zones were from 40.60 to 42.30. Okay, this was that wedge. We were expecting it to break. Okay, this was coming off of a bottom, and what we noticed here was that we were getting higher lows. Okay, higher lows, and everything was pretty much trading above MA levels, and we were looking for that 44 break. Okay, our target one was 44, our target two was 45, and our potential target here was 50. Okay, our stop close was 39.70, which really never hit. Okay, if you look here on the Gpro now, okay, this traded very well. Okay, from that entry, March 27th, on April 2nd, we were able to grab as low as $40.70. So this actually triggered at 40.70 and then consolidated. Okay, we noticed that the Bollinger Bands were here in between these Qedn channels, triggering our pulse on the upside. Released earnings, and today it actually saw a high of 54.06. So we actually hit our potential target, and we broke away from that level. Okay, this was a setup that we gave for late May or May 15 calls. Okay, this played out just perfectly. That's one of the reasons why I tell most of the traders in short to go out. Stay away from the weeklies. We want to be more of a swing trader. A little bit more longer term on the expiration dates, and this just played out perfectly for us. Now, what you want to see here is any retrace back to this to these levels here at 49.50. Probably a good buy or rinse and repeat entry. Okay, I would not be surprised for this to test this 55 and this 60 level and consolidate here. Okay, this was just a solid breakout move on the Gpro. Okay, overall, you may see a little bit of a gap fill here if you do, but ultimately you could see this test this 70 level again. Okay, markets were a little weaker, but Gpro was pretty much one of the stronger stocks that actually traded today. So I want traders to keep an eye on Gpro, but just a great trade from that 40.60 to 42.30. This actually triggered at 40.70 back in April 2nd. So just a great trade. Today's the 29th, so it just took about 20 somewhat days, like about 27 days for this to come to fruition. Just a great trade for traders that held off. Okay, the next trade is at FedEx. Okay, we were looking at this bear flag here. Okay, this actually triggered yesterday at a high of 171.90. Okay, this thing dropped and it hit a low of 168.70. What we're looking for is for it to break, but just a great move from this 171.90 to 168 level. Okay, our target one was reached, target two was reached at 168. Ultimately, what we're looking for is a close below this 168 level. If you do happen to close below this 168 level on two consecutive closes, would not be surprised to test this 165 level, our potential target here. But again, just a great trade. Okay, sometimes I tell traders to ensure that you start locking on the way up or down, depending on whether you're holding calls or puts. Objective is to purchase something of lesser value and sell it at a higher value. So just a great trade on the FDX. Okay, you are seeing lower highs, so I expect this to continue the seller pressure here. Okay, looking at the BBY, this is another stock that was sent out. We noticed this head and shoulders pattern here. We said that it closed below 36.92 times would signal a sell. Okay, we bought the puts, and today we saw a low of 34.68. Okay, and that was our target one was matched at 35, and our target two now is should be seen or should hit this week. Okay, so we closed near the low of the day at 34.86. The low of the day was 34.68, so I expect a continuation. Would not be surprised for this to test this 33 level here. Okay, our potential target is 34, so watch that level next to be hit, likely maybe this week or next. Okay, now moving on to the small caps. Okay, the AKS, this was a stock that was pretty much sent out not too long ago. Okay, this triggered at $3.67 here at this range. Okay, $3.67, rallied. Okay, and it hit a high of this $4.80, and then pulled back and gave us a re-entry here at the $3.80. Since then, okay, we've tested, and today we tested at $5.47. Just a great move. I expect this to start consolidating here and potentially break above. I do expect this stock to hit at least $7, okay, in the near term future. Overall, just a great trade, okay. A trade from $3.67 up to about $5.47. Just a great move for those traders that took the trade. Another stock that we mentioned not too long ago. This was back in early April. We were talking about the Hero, 40 cents to 48 cents. This actually triggered here on a low of 41 cents, and since then we've tested this 90 level, and right now we closed at the high of the day, 78. So I do expect another bull flag set up here. You see this next flag pattern, it just broke. Okay, I do expect this to consolidate here now and potentially test this level here at this 90 to $1.20 level. So watch this potential target next on the Hero. Just a great trade from these levels. Okay, just a great trade. Gave an entry at 40.48. Okay, gave it this low entry here at this 42 level. Okay, we hit the target of 55. Okay, we hit that target two of 65. Okay, and then we hit that target of 90, and right now you're consolidating. Watch for any pullback here to that 62 level, 70 level for this push higher up to this $1.20 level. Okay, just a great trade on the Hero. These are the small caps. These are the type of stocks that we send out to members. If you're not a member and you want to try a free trial, just visit radiosilentplay.com and sign up. Okay, what you're seeing here is higher lows. Okay, you got this level, now you got this level. I expect another staircase higher. So just watch the Hero. Now moving on to the OTCs, Qedn. Okay, it continues to be an ATM play. Today saw a low of 12. Okay, and closed at 15. I do expect this to continue this consolidation before a break higher. Look for that pivot break of 26. Okay, again, that's the scene of the crime. Usually when this stock hits that level, okay, you see these rallies. So I expect this stock to continue and potentially break this 21, 26 level soon. Okay, the BRNW, another thin traded stock. Okay, you can continue to see consolidation here. It triggered again, gave an entry at 11. Okay, then it hit a high of here at 19, gave an 80% move, and now the stock is basing here. Continue, watch this stock look to break that pivot at 19. If it does, I do expect this stock to rally. Could potentially see that 0.005 to 0.008 level. Okay, this is a stock that is taking a little bit of time, but at the same time, this is the time when you start adding when nobody else wants it. Okay, next stock is Dmhi. If you notice here, I gave this entry level here. Okay, I was talking about this this level here at 0009. Okay, and I mentioned a stop close below. You never confirm below the stop close. Okay, and you were able to add as low as 0007. Today it closed at 16 with a bullish reversal tail. watch for this stock to continue and hold above that level. Currently, it's trading above this 21-day moving average and the 8-day moving average. You see a cross from the 8 to 21-day moving average, so that signals a golden cross. If you do, okay, break this pivot level of 21.23, watch that potential retest of this 0.007 level. Okay, that was the old high from back in February. Okay, February 23rd, you saw a high of 73. If you see some buy pressure, you could see a nice move and a nice reversal here on the Dmhi. Just watch for that bid support. If you see any buy pressure, okay, this stock should break 0.002 in the coming weeks. Cgra is just a great trade. Okay, we talked about this bullish inside flag pattern. This thing held. Okay, it kissed that level, this MA level here at 1722, and tested a low of 12 before rallying and hitting a high of 45. Then pulled back. Okay, gave a re-entry at 17. Okay, and then today we had a high of 71 off of yesterday's marijuana news. So just a great trade. Now, if you want to look to get in the trade, watch that 35 level. Okay, that 50% retrace level, that 61% retrace level. I would look at that 35 support, maybe even possibly 30 if it kisses it. And what you want to see is higher lows here. Okay, so you got a low here. Okay, now you got a low here. This is what you want to hold, that 0.003 level. Okay, so if you just keep an eye on that, this 0.003. If it kisses it, I think that's going to offer a good re-entry. Okay, if not, watch that 0.0035 to 0.0042 support for a re-entry. Okay, that was just a great trade. Gave an opportunity to enter as low as 12, hitting high at 0.007, close to 600% gain. Okay, the Lfap today was sent out. Okay, we saw the news on April 29th. The Lfap News Digital Media Inc. launches a new Apple Health Kit enabled application for the iPhone. Okay, this was sent out. One of the members actually sent this out or mentioned it in the chat room. This is a stock I was looking for. I was looking at this stock to potentially break new lows. They released news at the perfect time. I had the chart set up and then I sent it out. Gave an opportunity to enter as low as 27.28 in the morning, and then the stock hit a high of 53. So this was just a great trade here on the LFAP. Okay, those that entered 27 were able to scalp it up to that 0.005. Got a little bit of a topping tail here, but what you want to see is some consolidation here. If not, you could retest these levels. But again, this should be a good entry level for those traders that did not get didn't get in at a lower PPS. All right, another one is Ifxy. This was a stock that was posted on the weekly watch list. The stock traded at 25 after the hemp news, okay, and then rallied and hit a high of 0.0057. Now what you want to see is the stock kind of hold these levels. Today it tested that 25 level again and managed to close here at 0.0033. So what you want to see here is you want to see for this stock to consolidate here and potentially break and retest these levels here at this 0.0045 to 0.0057 for a reversal. But just a great trade. It is a low share structure stock and it still is oversold, so just keep an eye on that. Okay, so any members that are or followers that want to get a one-on-one with me. I know some people are flustered. A couple of people are feeling a little frustrated or don't understand how to trade the levels. I mean, that's why we're here for. I mean, a lot of the guys that that kind of see our site, they understand the education process. They understand that we're out there to try to help traders. So those that are interested, just send me an email at radiosilentplay@gmail.com. Okay, guys that want to ask questions, please just post a comment in the comment box below here on YouTube, and we'll answer all your questions. If you want to send out any emails to me regarding any stocks or setups that you want to review, just keep me posted as well. Okay, people that are members and are willing to try us out, okay, we offer a free trial. Just go on radiosilentplay.com, and there's a Dropbox for a free trial. Okay, thank you everybody. Have a good night.